Alright guys, how's it going? Jeff here with another fan video. First one in a while. And this is a Hunter Medalist series original. This predated the 1930s Art Deco originals. It was only produced for a limited time in between 1996 and 1997. And in fact, let me sneak over here for a minute. The light kit that you see on this fan is not one that is normally associated with the Medalist originals. For the most part, when people think Medalist original, this is the light kit they think of. This is what they were normally sold with. And as you can see, I actually prefer this one. It's a little more Art Deco. It's a little bit cooler looking. It's not quite as wide around. This is what most of the Medalists that have surfaced, if not all of the Medalists that have surfaced in the wild, have come with. However, I recently had the opportunity to acquire two of these fans from a luxury condo in Ann Arbor, Michigan. And surprisingly, both of them are labeled Medalist. They have the Medalist badge with the Hunter logo on the other side. No way to find a serial number anywhere on them, to my knowledge. And they had this light kit. So we've been discussing on one of the online groups. I don't know if this was a transitional model, if it was a factory screw-up, or if it was just old Medalist motors thrown in 1930s boxes when they were doing right around the conversion. I'm not really sure. So regardless, it's freaking cool. The fan is in great shape. It's on eBay currently, so if you're interested, you can go out and find the auction. It's a 10-day auction going on right now. One of these is destined for Tom Frampton and will likely be heading to the Fan Museum, but one is available for purchase, so feel free to bid away. So we'll go through a quick demonstration. I'm not going to do the full demonstration with spin down and everything just because my camera battery's about to die, but we'll at least do the 3 speeds and then spin down from low so you get to see something. So here it is with the light. What? Your audio's cutting out. I'm also video chatting with thinks he's famous fan collector Reese Umbre right now because he won't let me off the phone, so. Alright, so we'll go ahead. This is with the light on. We're gonna do we'll do high, medium, low, and off, and that's all we're gonna make before this camera dies. So here's high.
I'll be right back.
I'm gonna set you down then so I can finish this video. So as you can see, the fan runs extremely smooth. I was fortunate enough to find these before the seller had removed them, so I was able to actually take them off the ceiling, make sure they were never set on the blades, and nothing ever happened to them. So they run quite well. Alright, so we'll go down to medium. So I'm trying to think of any other information on these fans. Yeah, basically, I don't know a ton about them. As I said, I can't find the serial number. The 1996 to 97 manufacture date is basically based off of information I was able to obtain online, looking them up and doing some research. So there's medium. We'll go down one more to low, and then we'll do our spin down from low. And then, as I said, we're going to have to cut this video short because my camera battery is about to die. So we're going down to low. So yeah, I guess these are they are a 4 or 5 blade fan. Maybe eventually I'll install the other one with 4 blades and do another video just to see how it looks. Obviously this one has 5 on it. I got 5 on it. Sorry, just had to throw that in there. The The light fixture uses, this is actually, the globe itself is plastic, it's not glass, which is nice for longevity because it probably doesn't break as easily. It's actually glued in there with a type of adhesive that kind of looks like that expanding foam that you would see that you fill holes in old houses like this one. That's kind of, that's pretty much how it's attached. There's like 4 spots of expanding foam that hold it in this white ring here. I'd show you the other side, but it's installed. Alright, so we'll do a spin down from low, and then we're going to call it good on this video because I want to take this thing down and hang something else. So, spin down from low. Sorry, that's all you get.
Sorry, Keith.
Reese, you want to show your face, make a cameo appearance? Alright, that is Reese Umbright. You can't really tell, but... Alright, so as stated earlier, Hunter Medalist from 1996 or 1997. This fan is currently available on eBay. This exact fan is the one you will receive. It's complete with all the mounting hardware and it's in nearly immaculate condition. If you look at the eBay listing, you will note the 1 or 2 blemishes I pointed out, which are basically not even noteworthy, but to keep my honest seller reputation, I thought I'd put them in there. So yeah, here you go. Hunter Medalist Art Deco Original for sale on eBay. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for this and other fan-related content. And if you are interested in purchasing this fan, please look up the auction on eBay. Peace.